The next thing I'm going to talk to you about is the pneumatic or air systems. This all looks complicated, and what I've done is I've laid out all of the piping that I've got on the top of the sub just to make sure it'll fit. PVC is real easy. You need two types of things. You need the purple cleaner and you need the PVC cement. You cut your pieces to size. Okay, first you put the purple stuff on. What this is a primer, cleaner, all in all good stuff. And spill out any excess. Take the second part, do the same thing. I'm using 1/2 inch PVC here. It seems to be the strongest, easiest, cheapest stuff to use. Whoops. Okay, now for the barrel, I had to cut all these pieces by myself by hand. So what I did was I figured out what the shortest piece of PVC I could use and still get all the way into the part. Okay, so purple. Those are the two pieces I'm going to join. Use the cement, little bit on the part, boom, little bit on the part. PVC stiffens up really quickly, so you have to work kind of fast. Put it in, give it a little twist, boom, that's it. That's done. One of the tricks I use for my submarine is alignment marks. If you notice, I put a black mark here and a black mark on the other piece here, right here. So basically when I put them together, all I have to do is make sure those two marks come together exactly, like so. And that way I know that this piece is in the right place and in the right position. Everything exposed right now just to make sure it'll all fit. The way I get air into the system is through these 3 tubes. One is going to go to the left scuba tank, the next will go to the right scuba tank, and the third will go for the hookah. These tubes are all hooked up to valves. Hookah valve, right scuba tank, left scuba tank. This is the cabin air system. Basically, that's over here. We have a main shutoff valve, a flow control. The air is coming through this pipe. It'll follow this pipe out into the cabin, goes down there, and up through this tube. The main ballast tank is controlled over here. This is a control fork. Basically, this will open up to allow the air into the ballast tank. I have a pull that'll actually let the air out of the ballast tank, but you don't see that right now. This is where the air for the ballast tanks will go up. This is where the air for the air system will go up. Now the only challenge is to actually get this all hooked up and put inside the submarine itself. In order to do that, I've purposely not connected this, not connected this, not connected this. The whole thing is going to come apart, be fitted down into the submarine, and it's going to be set up that way. Also, you might have noticed these wooden blocks. They're teak, and what they are for is to help secure all this pneumatic system to the sub itself. So, this is the main pneumatic systems, probably the last time they'll ever be seeing the light of day, I hope. And this is my dry fit. Now I've got to take everything out and glue all the pieces together and finish it up. I've completed the pneumatic system, ready to go on to the water pressure test. Thank you very much. Jose Berrios, Submarine Theador. Take care.